Hey, beautiful people. Today, we're looking into the transformative power of a well-crafted morning routine. By aligning our first actions of the day with positive and productive habits, we set ourselves up for success. This video will guide you through each step of creating a morning routine that not only boosts your productivity, but also enriches your life with positive energy from the moment you open your eyes. Waking up early is a habit shared by many successful individuals. It provides a head start on the day, offering you quiet hours to focus on personal growth and productivity before the world around you stirs. But it's not just about beating the sunrise. Early risers often report feeling more proactive and in control, attributes that are linked to higher levels of happiness and lower stress. Imagine the peacefulness of the early morning, where the only sounds are your own movements and the faint stir of nature outside. This is your golden hour, the perfect time to align your thoughts and energies without distraction. It's about reclaiming your time for personal reflection and preparation. Starting your day early also syncs with your natural circadian rhythms, leading to better sleep patterns and increased alertness throughout the day. To incorporate this into your routine, consider going to bed a bit earlier each night. This gradual shift helps your body adjust without the shock of sudden change. And when the alarm goes off, get up immediately. No snoozing. This decision alone can transform your approach to the day ahead, making you feel more decisive and empowered. After several hours of sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated. The first thing you should do after waking is drink a glass of water. This simple act kick-starts your metabolism and helps flush out toxins, setting a clean slate for your body each morning. Water is essential for maintaining brain function and energy levels, and starting your day well hydrated can significantly boost your focus and mood. Once you've rehydrated, fueling your body with a nutritious breakfast is your next step. Choosing a meal that's rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats can provide sustained energy without the mid-morning crash associated with sugary breakfasts. Foods like oatmeal, eggs, yogurt, or a smoothie packed with fruits, vegetables, and seeds are excellent choices that support brain health and physical well-being. Incorporating these foods into your morning routine not only nourishes your body but also your mind, preparing you to tackle the challenges of the day. Think of your breakfast as the fuel that powers your personal engine, a critical component in your daily success strategy. By consistently starting your day with hydration and nutrition, you establish a foundation of self-care that reinforces the idea that you are worth the effort every single day. After you have nourished your body, it's time to nourish your mind. Mindfulness and meditation can play crucial roles in setting a positive mental tone for the day. These practices help in reducing stress and enhancing clarity by centering your thoughts and allowing you to greet the day with a balanced mindset. Starting with just 5 minutes of meditation can have profound effects on your day. You can use simple breathing exercises where you focus solely on your breath, helping to clear your mind of the overnight buildup of thoughts and worries. This practice is not just about quieting the mind, but also about becoming more aware of your thoughts without judgment. Implementing mindfulness can be as straightforward as paying close attention to the sensations of your morning shower, the texture of your clothes, or the tastes and smells of your breakfast. This deliberate attention to the present moment can significantly decrease anxiety and increase your overall sense of well-being. It's about appreciating the now, which sets a positive and intentional tone for the rest of your day. Following mindfulness, Integrating some form of physical activity into your morning can energize both your body and mind. You don't need an intense workout to reap the benefits, just consistent movement. Whether it's stretching, a short yoga flow, or a brisk walk outside, the goal is to wake your body and get your blood flowing. Physical activity in the morning helps to release endorphins, known as feel-good hormones, which naturally boost your mood and readiness to tackle the day's tasks. It increases your alertness and helps to keep your mental focus sharp. Think of it as priming your physical and mental state for the challenges ahead. Regular morning exercise also helps in establishing a routine that you can look forward to. It becomes a dedicated time for personal development that not only strengthens the body, but also fortifies the mind against daily stresses. And, as with all habits, consistency is key. Even 10 minutes of dedicated movement can make a significant difference in how you feel physically and mentally throughout the day. With your body energized and your mind clear, it's now the perfect time to focus on goal setting and prioritization. Morning is the ideal moment to outline what you aim to achieve today. Setting goals each morning fosters a sense of purpose and directs your energy toward productive activities. Begin by listing 3 main tasks you want to accomplish. These should align with your larger goals, whether they're related to personal growth, work, or relationships. Writing down your goals not only helps you remember them, but also makes them feel more tangible and achievable. When you visualize your day's roadmap, it helps in minimizing distractions and focusing your efforts on what truly matters. Prioritization is about recognizing that not everything that demands your attention is important. Learn to identify the tasks that will have the most significant impact and allocate your time accordingly. This doesn't just enhance your efficiency, it also contributes to a deeper sense of fulfillment at the end of the day, knowing you focused on what truly mattered. After setting your goals, dedicating time to read or listen to something inspirational can significantly amplify your motivation. This can be a podcast, a chapter from a book, or even a few pages of motivational quotes. The key is to choose content that uplifts you and reinforces your intentions for the day. This practice serves as mental fuel. Just as breakfast energizes your body, inspirational content energizes your mind, providing you with the drive and determination to face the day's challenges. It aligns your thoughts with a positive frequency, often offering new perspectives and ideas that you can incorporate into your daily life. By making this a regular part of your morning routine, you create a reservoir of positive energy and inspiration that you can draw from throughout the day. It's about conditioning your mind to operate from a place of inspiration and growth, continually seeking and accepting opportunities for self-improvement. As you continue to build your morning routine, integrating visualization and affirmations can significantly enhance your mindset and focus for the day. Visualization involves picturing yourself successfully completing your tasks and achieving your goals. It's a powerful tool that can help align your subconscious mind with your conscious actions, making your objectives seem more attainable. Start by closing your eyes for a few moments and imagine your day unfolding exactly as you wish. See yourself handling tasks with confidence and meeting challenges with resilience. This mental rehearsal primes your brain to act in ways that support your visualized outcomes. Following visualization, affirmations can reinforce your self-esteem and determination. These are positive, present tense statements that you repeat to yourself, such as, "I am capable and confident," or "Today, I excel in my efforts." Affirmations help to overwrite any negative or doubtful thoughts that may arise, ensuring that your mindset remains uplifted and focused on success. Another enriching element to add to your morning routine is spending time in nature. Whether it's a brief walk in your garden, standing on a balcony to breathe in the fresh morning air, or even just opening a window to let natural light flood your space, connecting with the natural world can have a calming and rejuvenating effect on your spirit. Natural light, especially in the morning, helps regulate your body's internal clock and can improve your sleep quality and mood. The simple act of getting some sunlight can trigger your brain's release of a hormone called serotonin, which boosts mood and helps you feel calm and focused. Incorporating nature into your morning doesn't require much time, but offers substantial benefits. It connects you with the larger world around you, reminding you of the beauty and rhythm of life beyond your immediate concerns. This connection can ground you, providing a peaceful yet energized start to the day. As part of your morning routine, it's vital to take a moment to review and adjust your personal boundaries. This step is crucial for maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life. By setting clear boundaries, you ensure that you have time for both productivity and relaxation, which prevents burnout and keeps you motivated. Start your day by reflecting on your boundaries. Consider what worked well the previous day and what didn't. Ask yourself if your work encroaches on your personal time or if personal tasks distract you from work. Adjust as needed to ensure a better balance for today. Remember, effective boundaries are not rigid. They are flexible and should adapt to your daily needs and circumstances. This process helps to reinforce your commitment to these boundaries, reminding you of their importance in achieving a balanced life. By regularly assessing and adjusting your boundaries, you cultivate a healthy work ethic that respects your personal time and overall well-being. One of the most powerful ways to start your day is by practicing gratitude. Taking a few minutes each morning to acknowledge and appreciate the good in your life can transform your mindset and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Begin by listing 3 things you are grateful for each morning. These can be as simple as a comfortable bed, the sunshine, or the opportunity to pursue your goals. This practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering an attitude of abundance and satisfaction. Engaging in gratitude not only enhances your emotional well-being, but also reduces stress and improves your overall mental health. By making gratitude a regular part of your morning routine, you cultivate a deeper appreciation for life's blessings, which can motivate and uplift you throughout the day. We've explored a variety of practices today that can transform your mornings from ordinary to extraordinary. By integrating these steps into your morning routine, you're setting the stage for a day filled with productivity, positivity, and personal growth. The key to a successful morning routine is consistency, so I encourage you to stick with it and adjust as needed to find what truly works best for you. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to empower your days with positive energy, please like and share this video to help others find their morning success formula too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on creating a fulfilling and productive life. Thank you for watching, and here's to many more mornings of success and happiness.